Hello folks, next up we have the Boss DS-1 distortion pedal, and what this is a pedal for guitar players, although keyboard players, I have actually seen electric keyboard players use this pedal, but it's designed for guitar. So what it is you plug a guitar on one end where it says input, and the output goes to your amplifier or a mixing board or whatever you want the output of the sound to go to. So you would take this output, and the other end of this cable here on the output side, you will connect to a guitar amp, such as this one right here, a guitar amp. So you would put it in a guitar amp. So you can see the other cable is plugged into the amp over here. That's where the other side of this cable goes. Right, and the other side of the amp from there, and it goes to here. There, to the pedal. So that's where it starts. And then the other side of the cable, this side, the input, goes to a guitar. And we have a guitar here, and it gets this gray one, which is on the input side, it gets plugged into a guitar. Here's the guitar right here. And there's where the cable goes, right there, on the inside of the guitar. On the end of the guitar there. So there's the guitar, and there's where the cable goes, and that's the pedal right there. So that's the connections to it. Now as far as the sounds, that's what I'm going to try to show you here. So let's zoom back into the pedal here so we can see it. There's the pedal, and let me explain what this is. It's a Boss Distortion DS-1 distortion pedal, and that's what it is. And then you place it on the floor, on the ground here, and you can put it on the pedal board or just on the floor. And like I said, one end goes to your guitar, the other end goes to the amplifier, as I showed you. And this is made by Boss, B-O-S-S. It's a very good company. Everybody is pretty much heard of it. I mean, they make all kinds of effects, they even make recorders. It's a musical instrument item. So Boss is a very big company when it comes to musical instruments. It's made out of metal, and it's a very good construction. The bottom is got like a little rubbery part here, where when you put it on the floor, it doesn't slide as much because it's rubber. I've put some Velcro here where I just Velcro it to my pedal board. So the pedal board obviously has the other side of the Velcro that it goes on, and a lot of people do that, and because these pedals aren't too big, and you could just Velcro them. So that's what I do. I just Velcro them. It's got 3 knobs. It's got a tone knob. It's got a tone knob to get your guitar tone. It's got a level knob right here. Tone knob, level knob, and the other knob over here is how much distortion you want it, because it is a distortion pedal. Okay, what it has, when you don't, and this pedal here, see, you push it with your foot, and when it's activated, you'll see the little red light come on. See, there's like a little red LED comes on, comes off when it's on throughput mode. So when it's on throughput or bypass mode, the check light, it says check right here, because it's also a battery check. It operates on 9-volt batteries, and that's what I have in there. So when you press it down, it's on. So that means that it's in distortion mode. When you press it again, it comes off. That means it's in throughput mode. So I know it kind of makes sense, but I just thought I'd share it with you anyway, just for those of you who don't know. Anyway, so that's what this is. The construction, like I said, is pretty solid, and it's a reputable company, definitely reputable. So I have it plugged in here, and I have it plugged into the guitar and my amplifier out here. See, I have it into an amplifier, and from the guitar down there. So that's how it's rigged up. So right now, I'm gonna zoom back in on the pedal, and we'll see how it works. I'll try to do some kind of demos on it. I'm not gonna play anything at all. I'm just gonna strum it so it makes noise. So this is with the pedal not activated. So here's what the guitar sounds like. I could turn up the volume a little bit here so we could hear it. Yeah, so this is what it sounds like. That's the guitar without the pedal. Now when I activate the pedal, listen to the difference. It's distorted. When I press it again, it's clean. I press it again, it's distorted. Now with these knobs, you can adjust the amount of distortion, like it says there, the tone of it, or the volume of it. So that's a pretty cool feature. So it doesn't, like, you know, so the levels don't jump all over the place when you're in clean mode. You go to the distortion mode like that. Say you want less distortion. So there's a distortion. I'm going to put less distortion. Crank it down. So see? Less distortion. That's clean. Less distortion. Want more distortion? Less distortion. More distortion. And then this over here is the tone. As you can see, it's bypassed, so it has no effect on it. But once you engage it, and then it comes up, there's the tone. Treble, bass. Treble, bass. And that's the regular bypass thing. Like I said, these knobs don't do anything if it's bypassed. So let's turn it on again. Now you say it's too loud, you can turn it down by the level knob, see? So it's lower, but then when you disengage it, it goes back to the normal level. Engage it, low distortion. But if it's not loud enough, you can always turn it up. Simple as that. A very simple pedal and very effective. So get this for your guitar stuff, and it will definitely give you all kinds of different tones and stuff. It will make you sound really good. Again, it's the Boss DS-1 distortion pedal. Thank you, folks. See you later.